Hey, today we're going to play another one of the sharper image augmented reality games. This one's called Fighting Plane. So let's see what we can do. Here's your gun. See where your phone sits in there. Be sure you have Bluetooth turned on your phone so it can find the gun. Got the phone in there. Oops. There is our app, AR, right there. That's the one you downloaded. It was free. It'll load the game. See, it's loading. Takes it a little minute. There it is. And I see it's looking for the gun. See the gun twirling down there? It's looking for it. Found it. Okay. Let's see what kind of games we got today. We've got other games up here on this similar to these. If you haven't seen them, go look for them. We'll get some more up as soon as we can. I wonder what that sea battle is. See if we can get it to load. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get them to load. Well, that one doesn't want to load. Be sure. Yeah. Push that AR. Make sure we got it in there. Telling you which gun we're using. Not going to load, is it? No, I don't think it's going to load. May have to go to one of the other ones. Doesn't want to load, does it? Hold it down. That didn't seem to work either. Man, let's try this Fighting Plane. See if we can get this one to load. Oh, look at there. It's loading the game. See how this one works. Level 1 in 2 seconds, 1 second. Bingo. There we are. Ooh, it's showing the room around me instead of a background scenery. It's my room. Oh, those planes are shooting. Get them planes. Oh, they hitting me. See there? See the cracked screen when they hit me? Sorry for all the movement, but you have to move around to find things to shoot at. But it's fun. You need to get this game. It was only like $10 at Walmart. The app was free. Pow! Ooh, they got me, didn't they? Oh, spaceship. Flying saucer. Got him. Looks like a mothership. Oh, they're hitting me, aren't they? Got him, didn't I? Lights that screen up when you hit one of them. There's another one of the flying saucers. Man, I'm kind of outnumbered here, aren't I? Level 3, 2 seconds, 1 second. Bingo, I'm in level 3. We have more of these games up here. Oh, I won this one. It says game victory. I guess they quit shooting at me, huh? Well, says I won that one. Okay, hit that little red arrow up in the top left corner. It'll take you back to the front. You can load another game or go back to the phone. Yes, I want to quit. Loading game. There's your other games. I'm going back to the phone, so press that home button. Okay. Got a lot more of these games up here. We'll see you next time.